A silent war for the future of intelligence has already begun. But this isn't a war fought with weapons. It's being fought with algorithms on a digital battlefield. For the last year, the two most explosive technologies on Earth, artificial intelligence and blockchain, have been on a collision course. That collision is happening right now. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Right now, a battle is unfolding between the titans of decentralized AI. They are all fighting for supremacy in the next digital revolution, and the prize is dominance over a potential trillion-dollar industry. At the center of this conflict are two key players: a newly formed superpower called the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, and a revolutionary upstart, Bitensor. In this video, we're breaking down this war for the tech throne of 2025. We'll analyze the contenders, their strategies, their critical weaknesses, and by the end, you'll have a much clearer picture of who is positioned to win. So, why is this all happening now? For years, AI has been locked inside centralized fortresses. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI control the best models, the largest datasets, and the very computers AI runs on. This has created massive problems: data monopolies, censorship, and a single point of failure. If one of these giants decides to shut you out, your access is simply gone. That's a fragile system for a technology meant to change the world. But blockchain offers an escape. It gives AI a neutral, open, and transparent playground to evolve. It enables decentralized data sharing, applications that can't be censored, and intelligence that is verifiable and open to all. This isn't just a futuristic concept anymore. It's rapidly becoming a reality. The decentralized AI market is already surging, with a projected value set to blow past $700 million in 2025, and some analysts are pegging the sector's current valuation at over $20 billion. This explosion has ignited a new gold rush. Investors and developers are scrambling to find what they call the NVIDIA of crypto, that one foundational project that will provide the essential rails for this new AI economy. Everyone wants to find the project that will power our decentralized future, and the race is officially on. Our first contender isn't a single project, but a brand new superpower: the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, or ASI. In a move that sent shockwaves through the industry, three of the biggest AI crypto projects, Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol, merged in July 2024 to create a unified force. This was a clear power play, a strategic move to build a massive, all-in-one entity that could dominate the market. Let's break down the three armies that form this alliance. First, you have Fetch.ai, FET. Think of Fetch.ai as the provider of a digital workforce. Its primary focus is on what it calls autonomous economic agents, or AEAs. These are intelligent software programs that can autonomously perform tasks for you in the digital world. Imagine an AI agent that automatically finds the cheapest flight for your vacation, negotiates energy prices for your smart home, or manages your crypto portfolio based on market conditions. Fetch.ai is building the foundation for this new agent-based economy. Next, there's SingularityNet, AGIX, the big thinker of the group. Led by the legendary Dr. Ben Goertzel, SingularityNet is one of the oldest and most respected AI projects out there. Its grand vision is to forge a clear path toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Its main product is a decentralized marketplace for AI services. So, if Fetch.ai creates the AI workers, SingularityNet has built the global job board, where those AI services can be bought, sold, and combined into even smarter applications. Finally, we have Ocean Protocol. If data is the new oil, then Ocean Protocol is building the pipelines and refineries. AI is effectively useless without massive, high-quality datasets. Ocean solved this with a decentralized data marketplace that lets people and companies share and sell their data without sacrificing privacy or control. It provides the fuel that the entire AI ecosystem needs to function. By merging, these three have created something monumental. The ASI Alliance now boasts a workforce of agents, Fetch.ai, a global market for AI services, SingularityNet, and a secure data economy, Ocean. They've even brought in Kudos to help with their decentralized cloud computing power, pending a community vote. Their combined strength and existing business partnerships give them a significant head start in the race for real-world application. Their 2025 roadmap includes launching an agentic discovery hub, a place to help users find and invest in new AI projects, binding their ecosystem together even more tightly. But the alliance does have a potential weak spot. All three of these projects were originally built on Ethereum. While Ethereum is secure and decentralized, it's notorious for its high transaction fees and slow speeds. For an ecosystem that envisions millions of AI agents conducting countless microtransactions, this could become a serious bottleneck that limits their scalability. Before we introduce the Alliance's biggest rival, a project that many are calling the Bitcoin of AI, if you're getting value from this breakdown, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We unpack the most important shifts and battles in crypto and AI every single week, so you can always stay ahead of the game. While the ASI Alliance is busy building a full suite of tools, our second contender, Bitensor, Tao, has a much more radical and focused vision. If ASI is building a decentralized version of the AI industry, Bitensor is trying to build a decentralized global brain. The best way to think about Bitensor is as the Bitcoin of AI. Bitcoin created a system where miners compete to secure the network and are rewarded with BTC. Bitensor applies the same principle, but for intelligence. AI models compete to provide the best intelligence to the network and are rewarded with its token, TAO. The community aptly calls this proof of intelligence. Here's how it works. Bitensor is essentially one giant, open-source neural network. Instead of one company building a massive AI model in secret, Bitensor allows thousands of developers and machine learning experts worldwide to plug their own models into the network. These models are constantly ranked by other computers, which score them based on the value and quality of their intelligence. The models that perform the best earn the most TAO rewards. This creates a powerful feedback loop. The rewards attract more talent. That talent brings better models, and that makes the entire network smarter and more valuable for everyone. The network is divided into what it calls subnets. You can think of these as specialized markets for different AI tasks. There might be a subnet for text generation, another for image creation, one for financial predictions, or even one for scientific research. This design allows Bitensor to scale into countless different domains, becoming a universal hub for nearly any kind of machine intelligence imaginable. Bitensor's greatest strength is its revolutionary, single-minded focus. It's not just another AI marketplace, it's a machine for generating collective intelligence on a global scale. Its roadmap for 2025 is incredibly ambitious, with two major events on the horizon. First is the planned integration of EVM compatibility, which would open the door for developers from the massive Ethereum ecosystem to build on Bitensor. Second is its first halving event, expected around December 2025, which will cut the daily TAO rewards in half and create a supply shock, much like Bitcoin's halvings. But Bitensor's path has its own hurdles. Its radical design has a steeper learning curve for developers, and because it operates on its own custom blockchain, it can feel somewhat isolated from the users and capital flowing through the broader crypto market. The war between the ASI Alliance and Bitensor isn't the complete picture. In any gold rush, the people who consistently make money aren't just the miners digging for gold, but also those selling the picks and shovels. In this AI war, a third group is emerging. The kingmakers building the core infrastructure that all other projects need to survive. The single biggest challenge for any AI, whether centralized or decentralized, is its incredible demand for computing power. Training and running powerful AI models requires vast amounts of high-end GPUs, the same chips made by NVIDIA. This is where decentralized projects like Akash Network, AKT, and Ether come in. They are building the Airbnb for AI compute. They create peer-to-peer marketplaces where anyone with spare GPU power can rent it out to developers who need it. This creates a decentralized cloud that is often cheaper and more censorship-resistant than giants like Amazon Web Services. Furthermore, the scalability problem that could hinder the ASI Alliance is creating a massive opportunity for other blockchains. While Fetch and Singularity Net contend with Ethereum's high fees, new AI projects are emerging on faster platforms. For instance, the Solana ecosystem is attracting AI developers who want to leverage its ultra-fast transaction speeds and negligible fees to enable complex, high-frequency interactions between AI agents. We're seeing infrastructure projects like Nosana and Render building out GPU marketplaces directly on top of it. And then there's Internet Computer, ICP, which is taking a completely different approach by allowing AI models to run entirely on the blockchain itself, enabling truly unstoppable AI applications that run at web speed. These infrastructure players may not be vying for the throne themselves, but their success is absolutely essential. The winner of the AI war might ultimately be whichever project can best utilize these underlying compute and scalability solutions. So, after laying out the entire battlefield, which of these projects is truly in a position to dominate 2025? The reality is, there probably won't be a single winner. We're more likely to see several victors, each conquering a different part of this new digital territory. The Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, ASI, is the clear frontrunner for enterprise adoption and building a broad, accessible ecosystem. By combining agents, a data market, and a service market, they've created a powerful, all-in-one solution that businesses can easily understand and integrate. If they can solve their scaling issues, either with Layer 2 solutions or by migrating to a faster chain, their unified brand and existing partnerships make them a formidable force. Bitensor, TAO, conversely, is the top contender for becoming the foundational protocol for pure, decentralized innovation. Its model is more abstract, but arguably far more profound. If it succeeds, Bitensor won't just be another product. It could become the base layer for how all AIs communicate and value each other's intelligence, a true Bitcoin of AI. Its success hinges on its ability to attract more developers, execute its 2025 roadmap, and bridge its ecosystem to the wider crypto world. And finally, you have the kingmakers, the infrastructure players like Akash, Ether, and scalable blockchains like Solana. These projects are the ultimate neutral bet. They stand to win regardless of who comes out on top. Whether it's ASI's agents or Bittensor's subnets, they will all require immense amounts of decentralized compute power and fast block space to function. These infrastructure projects are essentially a bet on the growth of the entire sector. The AI blockchain war is here, and the stakes could not be higher. It's a clash of two distinct philosophies: the all-in-one, business-friendly alliance versus the radically decentralized, open-ended protocol. 2025 will be a pivotal year where these titans go head-to-head, and their success will help determine whether AI remains open and democratic or falls back into the hands of a few powerful corporations. But that's just my take. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these contenders do you believe will dominate 2025? Is it the unified power of the ASI Alliance, the revolutionary design of Bitensor, or will one of the dark horse infrastructure players emerge as the true kingmaker? Let me know your pick in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead in this AI arms race, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. For more exclusive insights, join our insiders group on our website at generationalwealth.biz. We're just getting started.